What up, y'all? So we back. I'm at a new location. Behind me, look at this. About to rip this apart real quick. Ain't never done this before. It's kind of windy today, as you can see from the flag behind me. You see that? Super windy. I'm about to get at it. Let's get right to it. All right, y'all, my bad. I probably should have set up all this shit before I started recording, but the beauty of this shit is I'm not trying to sell you nothing. I'm not trying to fucking convince you to buy nothing. That's the same fucking thing, goddamn it. I'm no good at talking on camera yet, but I'm just here to have a good time and show off these badass FPV drones that I built custom, just the way I like it. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get to it. shit, that was exhilarating. That was my first time doing a building. I didn't want to break them people's shit or nothing, or break my drone, of course, but holy shit. Let me walk over there. I need to walk over there and see how big this gap was. Did I stop the camera? Shit. Okay. I should have thought about this before. Hey, follow me. I should have thought to go over here and check the size of the gap before I started flying. We got them power lines right there above me. You probably can't see that. And then, let's see. Cause through the camera, man, that looked tight. It looked like I'm gonna just come down and land on top of that thing and break some shit. It's a bunch of glass over here. All right. Let me check this out. Oh, man, that's a big, giant, huge gap. I should easily be able to hit that. It looks so small in the camera, though. Damn it. Through the drone, it looked way tighter and smaller. But that was just my first pack of the day. The warm up. Got my nerves out the way. Want to try not to break no fucking drone. I've been on a good long streak. I broke a drone about a week ago, but that was just a stupid mistake I made. I left the camera cord in the way to chop the fucking cord up from the camera, so that's why that one don't work. But for the most part, these 5-inch drones and the rest of them been running for at least a month straight without breaking nothing. I want to keep that going. I'm about to sit down, so I'm much more stable when I'm sitting down, and I fly like 10 times better. Just, it makes sense because you have more contact with the ground, so you're more stable, so I could be more precise with the sticks. But now you're gonna see through the camera, this pack gonna be a lot better than the other one, and it's not because I just warmed up, maybe a little bit, just a little bit, but for the most part, it's gonna be because I'm about to be sitting down. I forgot about, I didn't know this was in the fucking trunk. This is my daughter chair, my wife bought. She waiting on me to do some painting before she put it in the room, but shit, I'm about to use that. And I'm gonna set this right here. This about to be a hell of a flight. Track me. had a lot of close calls and a lot of stuff that I just did on a fucking accident. Absolutely did not try to do, but it looked amazing. Was really about to fucking crash and drop my shit and break it, but got lucky. Sometimes that's what it's about. All right, I think I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. Go to another spot that I've been thinking about flying. I'm gonna come back here some more, but that's it for this spot.